Hey there guys, and welcome to yet another episode of Blue Sky Beauty. I'm your host as always, Victoria Fox, and this week you could say that things are getting a little weird in honor of the new Toy Story Land that's coming to Disney's Hollywood Studios this month. I was pretty excited about it, but even more excited when I found out that my favorite characters from Toy Story, the Little Green Men, were getting their own ride. So I couldn't help but be a little inspired. Let's get started. First, we're starting with a fresh face and adding some foundation and powder. Building on that base, now you'll give yourself a green tint with some green eyeshadow applied all over your face and ears. Here I'm using Urban Decay's Hatter with a fluffy brush. Next, I'm filling in my eyebrows with a dark green lipstick from MBA Cosmetics. Now for the eyeballs. Take a very thick white cream paint and draw the circles for the 3 eyeballs. Here I'm placing one on the center of each eyelid and one in the middle of the forehead. After applying the white, add some white setting powder to keep it in place. Next, give your eyes some pupils. Here I'm using Wet n Wild's black liquid liner. It may take a few tries to get this just right. It certainly did for me. Those eyeballs need a little more dimension, so I took the green shadow from before and shaded a faint line around the outside top of each eyeball with a small brush. Now we'll start with the classic Little Green Man shirt. Using a purple paint, draw a thick strip under your chin, coming about 2 inches down. Here I'm using Mehron's Paradise paint. Now we'll apply a blue base. Here I'm using the blue Mehron Paradise paint. Try to make this as opaque as possible, taking it down past your shoulders and your chest. To separate the blue and the purple paints, apply a thin blue line between them using a thin brush and some shimmery blue eyeliner. Here I use the Color Tattoo liner from Maybelline. Next we'll add our pizza planet. Using Cryolon's UV aqua colors, I trace out the planet shape in orange. This line should be a little squiggly. Next you'll add the extra details of the pizza planet. Using the same kind of paints, trace out the pepperonis in pink and the mushroom shapes in green. Taking a yellow, trace out the ring around the planet. For a finishing touch, add a matte purple lip. Here I'm using Kat Von D's Liquid Matte Lipstick in Aisha. Add your headgear and any finishing touches. I noticed the eyes could have been a little crisper and the green could use some more coverage, so I went ahead and added some more. Ooh. Well, here is our finished look. I did make these guys on my own with some foam, but they are supposed to have some really amazing ones that look far better than mine in the park once the land opens up. Thank you so much for tuning in as always, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!